What is up, guys? I am Justin from JK4K. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this new TL-U58 lens converter for the Canon XF400 camcorder. If you have the XF405 or the GX10, this lens converter will work for you as well. So be sure to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. I will have links below to this converter. If you are interested in purchasing it, please check that out, and links to all the cameras I use below. If you use those links, that is of course greatly appreciated. It helps me out with making these videos. Now let's not waste any time and get to it. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and open the box here. You can see the converter comes packed nicely in this bubble wrap to protect it. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here is the converter here. See, it says Canon Tele-converter, the TL-U58 with 1.5x additional zoom it provides you. It comes with this lens protector on top, which just pops off. Then on the back, there's a lens protector that just pops right off as well. These are 58mm threads. This lens converter fits the 58mm filter diameter. And like I was saying, provides a 1.5x multiplication factor. Canon says this converter is able to provide an extended telephoto range while keeping 4K UHD quality. Let's see what else is in the box. Looks like we have some basic instructions. I think it's pretty straightforward. It screws on. And they also give you this nice bag to keep the converter in when you're not using it. So you can see here it's got the Canon logo on the outside, and inside, it's got a nice soft material. Now, stock without any lens converters with a 35mm equivalent, you get in 4K 25mm to 382.5mm. Now, with this lens converter on, it'll allow you to extend the range to 573.8mm. In 1080p mode, without the converter, you're able to zoom from 25.5mm to 765mm. But with this converter on, you get to go all the way to 1147.5mm, which is super far and awesome. Now, while you do gain a lot on the higher end, you are going to lose some on the lower end. And that's because this converter is going to create a tunnel effect when you're zoomed out, and you're going to see that coming up here when I show you this converter and how it works on the camera. Now, enough with the specs. It's time to go outside and see how much of a difference this translates to in the real world. Alright guys, so now I'm zoomed out all the way. I don't have the converter lens on. I'm here and you can see my kid. He's kicking the ball around, so I'm going to zoom all the way in. So here I am zoomed all the way in. See if I can stay on his face somewhat. So this is about 72 feet away. And I'm recording him as close as I can. Just running around playing some soccer. So this is what it looks like stock, and you can see how far you'll be able to zoom in. Now let me get the lens converter and put that on, and we can see how much that helps. Alright guys, remember that tunnel effect I was talking about? Well, here it is. Check that beautiness out. Alright Sharkster, go down there and let me record you, and I'm going to show them how much the adapter helps. Go ahead, buddy. So as I start to zoom in, you'll see the tunnel effect goes away. So we're good about right there. Alright guys, so here we are with lens, without lens. Again with the lens, without the lens. So now let's try zooming in on something further away. Alright, so I found a nest up in a tree, and this is what it looks like without the lens. And this is what it looks like with the lens. So without and with. Here's without again. Now let's go to 1080p and see how close we can get. Alright, so now we're in 1080p mode and you can see that nest way up in the sky, and so I'm going to zoom in. And this is how close we can get. Now I'm going to put the lens on. And here we are with the lens on. So here's zoomed out. You can see that tunnel effect again. And zoomed in with the lens on. Let me take it off. So this is with the lens converter off, zoomed in all the way. Then here we are with the lens converter on. Alright guys, I just showed you how much of a boost you'll get by using this teleconverter on these Canon camcorders. I hope you found it useful. And if you're into camera, audio, video, all that type of techie good stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And while you're at it, please hit that notification bell because I don't want you to miss any of my future videos. And I'll have links below in the actual description from the cameras I used for this video, the audio gear I used, and some other useful items. If you use any of those links, I'll be greatly appreciated because it helps me out with making these videos. If you have any questions, please ask below down in the comments because I love helping people out. Also have a channel called Consumer where I review other products outside of this realm. So head over there and check that out if you have time. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great JK4K day. Peace.